Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Drome on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to view your channel analytics using an Android app which is called YouTube Studio. And this app is going to show you about your YouTube channel video views and the sources where these clicks are coming from. Okay, so let's begin. Let's go to App Store. Here I'm going to type YouTube Studio, and click on it. And this app is already installed in my mobile, so you have to install it if it is not there on your mobile. I'm going to open this app now. The initial screen will appear like this. My channel name is World of Adventures. I have got about 45 subscribers. I opened this channel about a couple of days ago, and if you can click on the menu, you're seeing World of Adventures. I can change the channel here by clicking on the scroll button. Okay, for now it's okay, but if you want to change it or log into various accounts, you can do that using this app. Okay, and here you're seeing various options. Let's go to initial screen. This is the initial screen which shows my analytics for last 28 days. Okay, and the watch time for my videos are about 2000 minutes, and the views are about 2000, and the subscribers I've got about 15 in the last 28 days. Okay, and if you come to the bottom, you're going to see the comments of my videos. Okay, let's go to menu, and step by step we'll view all the options here. Okay, well, let's go to videos. The videos will show all of your videos for this particular channel. These are my videos. Okay, and let's go to menu again. Let's go to playlist. These are the playlists I have created. Okay, and let's go to comments. Okay, so these are the comments posted by the users. I can even like the comment if I want to. And let's go back to menu again, and this is the important part, which is analytics, which is going to show the details of your channel, like the overview, which shows like how many views you've got in 48 hours. I got about 130 minutes. And if you come to the bottom, real-time views, which of your video has got how many views in this 48 hours time. Okay, and the watch time in the last 28 days I've got about 3000, and the views in the last 28 days I got about 2000, and the average view duration, estimated revenue, which is not started yet because my channel is not monetized yet, and watch time for subscribed viewers have watched it 5% about, and non-subscribed are about 95%. The likes versus dislikes, and the top videos. One of the top videos of mine is like California Thief Incredible Driving, for which I've got about 1497 minutes in the last 28 days. Let's go to another tab, which is revenue. So the revenue has not yet started, as I've told you. Like, I need to have about almost 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in order to get monetized. Okay, let's go to discovery. Here actually you can see which views are coming from what source, so the traffic, YouTube search I got 48%, external 32%, other YouTube futures 9%, etc. The top external sources which I've used to increase my views, these are WhatsApp 33%, YouView 31%, Facebook 13%, and all others are rest of the percentage. And if you come to the bottom, top YouTube search items, like these are the top videos coming in my search items, and the top videos suggested by YouTube. One of the top videos is like Los Angeles police car chase, okay, for which I've got 27%. And if you come to the bottom, you'll see the playlist percentage. Okay, let's go to menu, and if you click on the YouTube, you'll go to your YouTube channel and you can view the videos. Okay, like this. And let's go to menu again. Let's go to settings. You can change the notifications here, whether you want to receive alerts or not. Okay, let's go back. let's go to audience. Like here you can see like who has watched it, so the percentage, whether male or female. Male percentage is more, here 82%. So which age group has watched your videos? Top countries, like India is the country which has watched it more on my videos. Okay, and let's go to menu again. Let's go to interactive content, wherein like you will have an option to create cards on YouTube, for which it will show you how many views you've got using those cards. Okay, in the playlist, like how many views you've got in the last 28 days. Okay, hope you've liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and encourage me to get you more such videos. Have a wonderful day.